Morning. Um, I want to do a quick little video for you explaining the second assignment for this week on solving exponentials with any other base. It's the same, except you have a different base, so you can't use the same buttons on the calculator. So you have an option as to do this formula that we're not going to worry about right now called the change of base formula. It's really easy, but you can look that up on Khan Academy, change of base formula. But for now, since everybody's at home, we're just going to focus on finding the new button on the calculator and how to do any base that you need on Desmos and how to know which button you're using on the different calculators. So I'm going to grab one of the questions here. And we are going to solve for x. And on this one, that means we're going to divide both sides by 3 first to get rid of what's on the outside, what's farthest away from the x, but the same side. So we have 2 to the power of x over 5, and that equals whatever 150 divided by 3 is. Well, you can grab a calculator or your brain, whichever one of those you think is more reliable. I challenge you to do it with your brain. But 150 divided by 3 should just be 50. Yep. So this is just 50 over here. And now we need to get the x out of the exponent. We don't want that up there in the exponent, so we're going to rewrite it as a logarithm. So log, and the base is going to be whatever is over here with an exponent on it. So base 2. My exponent goes on the right side. The other number that turns out is called an argument, goes right there next to the log. That's what you're taking the log of. Now, stuff on the left is just a number that the calculator can help you figure out. Stuff on the right is what we need to solve. We want this x by itself. So right now it's being divided by 5. So to undo that, the inverse of that would be multiply by 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5. So it turns out our exact answer is whatever 5 times log base 2 of 50 is. Now we got to see how they want us to put the answer in. Well, this time they just want us to write the exact answer. So 5 log base 2 of 50 is what I'm looking for. 5 log base 2 of 50. There we go. Ba-da-ba. Next question. Now this time they're going to want us to plug it into the calculator. So we're going to start the same. You divide both sides by 3 to get rid of that 3. So 5 to 0.2 W equals whatever 720 divided by 3 is. 720 divided by 3, 240. And then we need to get that W out of the exponent. So we're going to do log base 5, because that's what has an exponent on it. That's the base of this exponential right here. Equals the exponent. And then on the left, we need the argument, that 240. And now we don't want that 0.2 bothering the W. So we're going to divide both sides by 0.2. And that gets rid of that. So we have W equals all this. Now this is when the handy dandy calculator comes into play. The calculator in Khan has a button for log base E, and it has a button for log base 10. It does not seem to have a button for log base 5, right? Or any other bases. So that's when we want to try and use another calculator that has that. And Desmos does have that. You just have to find it. So if we go over into functions and you go into miscellaneous, there's lots of different menus in here. But if you go over to miscellaneous, you'll find log base E, natural log, log base 10, common log, and log base whatever you need. And then you can type in there log base 5 of 240 divided by 2. And there's my answer, 1.702. But I think it said the nearest thousandth. So this 6 is going to make us round up. So 1.703. Now, I could do another question with you, but I'm late to a meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and post this up and maybe do another few examples later. Miss you guys. Hope to see you soon. Oh, I just realized I got it wrong. I better figure out what's wrong. Guys, I was supposed to divide by 0.2, right? Let me look at this again. Yep, 0.2. Divided wrong. So of course it gave me the wrong answer. So 3 places, that 5 is going to make that 6 round up. So this should have been 17.027. Okay, now I'm really going to see you later. Okay, bye.